Hey salam, I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making something really delicious. It's gonna be steak and eggs, gonna serve it along with a bit of fries, but not just any fries. These fries are gonna be super flavorful. So without any further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Alright, so we're gonna start with our beef tenderloin. The reason why it's called tenderloin is it's very tender, as you can see. So it's a beautiful cut. If you get to try it, do try it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep things very simple. There's no need to season too much. So I'm just gonna place this nice and easy onto the board here. I've got here beautiful freshly ground black pepper. So it's not too fine. There are grains in there. Add a good pinch of pepper on the top. There we go. Finally, a good pinch of salt. And just tap that. Alright. Carefully pick that up. I'm just gonna do the same from the other side, alright? As I told you, as you can see, it's about to separate, so be careful. Again, touch of pepper, touch of salt, and give this a good tap. Alright, so grab a pan like this one. As you can see, there's a bit of grilling marks on there, so perfect. I'm just gonna turn the heat to medium heat. Looks like that. Perfect. In that, I'm just gonna add a touch of oil. Let that get nice and hot. Alright, so when the pan is nice and hot, you're gonna add your steak in, always away from you. Look at that, beautiful. Now, how long you wanna cook it for? You like it medium, you like it rare, you like it well cooked, it's up to you. Let this sear beautifully. Make sure your steak is completely touching the pan and you don't have to press it too hard. Alright, so it's been around 3 minutes. I'm just gonna nicely turn this over. So be careful, don't break your tenderloin. And look at that beautiful sear. Amazing. I'm just gonna smash this. Alright, so at this point in time, I'm gonna add in my garlic and beautiful knobs of butter. Lots of butter. Butter is good. Alright, so what you want to do is you just want to, bring it to the one side and let it cook. Let it completely sear. Oh yes, so let the butter melt for a second. Oh, smells amazing. All that beautiful garlicky, buttery smell. I'm just gonna tilt my pan slightly, alright? So just like so. I'm just gonna start adding that beautiful butter onto there, alright? Look at that. Beautiful. Amazing. Look at that. Delicious. Our butter is not burning. And it's giving that beautiful smell, If you want, you can add a bit of dried oregano here, a bit of the thyme if you want, and it will give that aromatic aroma as well. But this should be enough, alright? So look at that. Amazing, amazing. Look at that beauty. How beautiful that looks, Alright, so we're nearly done here. Just give it another 20 seconds and we're gonna remove it from the heat. Alright, so now you're gonna remove your beautiful steak onto this parchment paper. Look at that. Amazing. Leave some of that garlic on the side. That looks really good. I'm just gonna cover it up. And I'm just gonna let it rest in a warm place. The longer you rest, the better it's gonna be and the more juicy it's gonna become. Alright, so grab a bowl. In that we're gonna add our beautiful fries. Look at that. In that goes paprika, red chili, good pinch of salt, that beautiful garlic, the one we cooked with the steak. I'm just gonna add that in. Finish you off with a bit of these spring onions. Now give this a mix. Give it a bit of taste. Amazing. Sunflower oil, love to use it. Alright, so I'm going to crack my egg open. So I want the yolk to be a bit runny, right? So I'm just gonna tilt my pan here. I'm just gonna start adding that oil onto there. And always use a non-stick pan. I'm just gonna remove it onto a plate. Alright, let's have a look at our beautiful steak. Just gonna carefully open this. Oh man, look at that beauty. It looks so good. I'm just gonna slice it a little to show you guys. Oh, it's so tender, you know. Look at that. So first up, I'm gonna add our beautiful steak onto there. I'm gonna add it in the middle. A touch of the pepper. Fries onto the sides here. Alright. Look at that. Alright, finally I'm gonna add my beautiful egg onto the side here. Look at that. With a bit of the runny yolk, bit of the sauce on the side. And picture is perfect. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Looks really delicious, look at that. Perfect. Let's try with a bit of fries first. Alright, now let's try the steak. It's so tender. Oh man, look at that. So juicy. Let's try this egg as well. Steak and eggs. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy. Perfect.